Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my own personal experience with the platform. Honest review, EmuBands for musicians, watch before using. If you're an independent artist seeking a simple yet powerful music distribution service, EmuBands might be the perfect fit. Designed specifically for musicians who prioritize control over their music and royalties, EmuBands offers a refreshing alternative to traditional distribution platforms. Unlike many distributors who take a cut of your earnings, EmuBands allows you to keep 100% of your royalties. You pay a one-time fee per release, and your music is distributed to all the major platforms, including Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, and many more. A key advantage of using EmuBands is the guaranteed permanence of your music on these platforms. No annual renewal fees mean your music stays live indefinitely, making it an excellent choice for long-term releases. Furthermore, EmuBands embraces a fully DIY approach. You retain complete control, with no label ties or hidden contractual obligations. You upload your music, manage your metadata, and enjoy the flexibility to schedule your releases according to your own timeline. The platform also offers optional add-ons, such as pre-orders and Shazam integration, to enhance your visibility and build anticipation before a release. Moreover, EmuBands seamlessly integrates with SoundScan, official charts, and other reporting systems, providing accurate tracking of your sales and streams, vital information for charting success. EmuBands shines in its simplicity. It's ideal for musicians who prefer a straightforward, hands-off approach to distribution while still receiving reliable, professional service. However, if you're seeking extensive promotional tools or advanced marketing features, EmuBands might not fully meet your needs, as its primary focus is distribution rather than artist development or marketing strategies. For artists who prioritize complete control over their music and minimize recurring costs, EmuBands delivers precisely that. But if you prefer a more hands-on experience with integrated marketing support, exploring alternative distribution services might be more beneficial. In conclusion, EmuBands offers a highly efficient, no-frills distribution service perfectly suited for independent musicians who value simplicity, control, and maximizing their earnings potential.